How are you? Are you committing to yourself to enhance your knowledge? I think that you are doing like that because you can't come outside, we can't come outside. You have to learn through online, is it? We are waiting for the time that we can come out. So then we will be coming to the school, we will be coming to the school. Okay, we will revise everything, we will learn everything, but we don't waste the time, no? This time, because every day is very important in a student's life. If you miss a day, that day won't come back. So, we can't postpone our studies. You can't postpone the learning. I am also sending the links of some quizzes related to the topics that we have covered. So, you can take the exams and you can see how much progress is there in that topic. You can watch. If you are getting less marks, less score, you can take it again. You can study once again. Then you can take it once again. So, commit to yourself. That only we can do now. Okay, we'll pray to the God to get everything clear quickly and we all can meet well. Okay, so now today we are going to the important topic, that is rounding off to the numbers. Estimation. In Corona itself, mostly around 20,000 people got affected in USA, or around 1,000 people today's list. So they will estimate and say. Exact number won't be said. Suppose if you purchase a dress for 89 rupees, will you like to say it as 89 or 90? Okay, if you purchase a dress for 99 rupees, will you say it as 99 or 100? You will say it as 100, isn't it? In newspaper and all we say, so and so, 20,000 people have watched the cricket played between England and Australia, something of that sort. Is it? So, around 20,000 or nearly 20,000. Is it that exact number? No. That is an estimation. So, how we will estimate the numbers? How we will round the numbers, that we are going to learn in this topic. Okay. First we will start with rounding off to tens. Rounding off to the nearest tens. Suppose if there are numbers like 81, 82, okay, here on the number line I have written numbers from 80 to 90. So if I purchase something for 82 rupees, if I got something for 82 rupees, if I want to say that one, rounding off it to the tens, what should I say? Should I say 82? No, they are asking us to round off to tens. What are the tens? What are the tens actually? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. These are the tens. So asking us to round off to the nearest tens. Actually I purchased for 82 rupees. But I should round it and say, round it to what? I want to round it to tens and I should say the answer. So let us see which of these 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So this 82 is close to which of the 10? Is it close to the 80 or is it close to 90? So here we see this 82 is near to 80 rather than to 90. So when we are rounding it to the nearest 10, we will write it as 80, 82, changes to 8. Suppose if I take 86, okay, if I want to round up 86 to the nearest 10, whether I should write 80 or 90, 86 when we are rounding off to tens, whether we will get 80 or whether we will get 90. See here, look clearly. 86, how many units back? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units back. Okay, 6 unit less than 86. Here, if we are going forward, 1, 2, 3, 4th unit. So this is 6 units less, that is 4 unit more. So which is better, 4 or 6? Which is more near? 90 is near. Okay now. So 86, if the number 86 comes, we will write 90. Okay, in case midway means if the number is 85. Okay, it is in the mid of these two numbers, 80 and 90. So what should we do? 85, when we are rounding off 85, what should we take? Whether we have to take 80 or whether we have to take a 90? We have to take the bigger number only, that is 90. So, you understand the pattern here. When the unit place is 1, 2, 3, 4. When the unit place is 1, 2, 3, 4. Means less than 5. We will take the before number. Okay. And before number means the tens place will not change. Okay. Then when we round off the numbers to the nearest tens, always we have to write the unit place as 0. So see here 82. When we round up 82, what we got? 80. So the unit place is 0. If we round off 87, okay, when we round off 87, we will get 90. Means the unit place is 0. So that only. When we round off to nearest tens, always the unit place becomes 0. Okay, now let us go to the tens place. So, what about the tens place? Tens place we have to follow some patterns. So, see here, the number below 84, below unit place below 5, 84, 83, 82, 81 means unit place is 4, 3, 2, 1. For all these numbers, the tens place does not change. 82, we get 80. Means tens place is 8. Here also tens place is 88 only. 84. When we round off to tens, we will get 80. See here, 84. Tens place is 8. Here also when rounding off, that tens place also 8. So tens place does not change when the numbers unit place is less than 5. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. If the unit place is 4, 3, 2, 1, what we learn? Tens place does not change in case of rounding off to the nearest tens. So, what about more than 5 or 5? More than 5 or 5. If the unit place is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the tens place. See here 87. What we round up? We rounded it up to 90. So 80. 8 is a tens place. 8 plus 1, 9. So add 1 to the tens place. If it is 7, 7 will become 8. If it is 6, 6 will become 7 and so on. Okay. So these 3 points you have to remember for rounding off to the nearest tens. Okay, now let us see what are the rules for rounding off to nearest hundreds, nearest thousands and 10,000, so on and so on. So when we have rounded the numbers to nearest 10, we have observed the unit place. But when we are rounding the number to nearest 100, we have to observe tens place. 100. Nearest to 100 means observe tens place. Nearest 1000 means observe 100 place. Okay, so nearest 10,000 means which digit we have to observe? We have to observe 1000 digit. If we want to round up the number to lakh, we have to observe the 10,000s place. So just before place we have to observe. So that by observing that one, if we found that place is less than 5. So when we are coming to nearest 100, when we observe the tens place, that digit is less than 5. No change for 100 place. Nearest ones also we learned like that only. When the ones place is less than 5, no change for tens place. Here it is 100, nearest 100 asking no. So, if the tens place is less than 5, no change for 100 place. In case tens place the digit is greater than 5 or equal to 5, what should we do? Add 1 to hundreds digit. So we have to add 1 to the digit in the 100 place. Next, when we are rounding off to 100, tens place and unit place will be 0. When we are rounding off to thousands, tens place, 100 place and unit place means unit tens, hundreds place will be 0. Okay, when we are rounding off to the nearest 1000 before, what all coming? Once period total, once a tens, 100. That 3 will be 0. Only what will be changing? 1000 place we have to change. So to change the 1000 place, which digit we have to observe? We have to observe the digit of the hundreds place. Okay, observe the hundreds place. The 100 place is less than 5. 1000 place no change. And if the hundreds place is greater than 5 or equal to 5, add 1 to the digit which is in the thousands place. Okay, same rule we can extend for 10,000 lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and all we can apply the same rule. Okay, let us do some questions now. Okay, 352. I want to round it off to tens. Sorry, hundreds. Round off to hundreds, nearest hundreds. What can I do? 352. So, nearest 100 means which digit you should observe? Tens place you should observe. Okay, we are observing the tens place. Okay, it is 5. So, what is the condition? Tens place? Digit less than 5, not less than 5. That rule no need follow. Next rule is tens place digit. So, the digit in the tens place is equal to 5 or greater than 5 or equal to 5, right? Add 1 to hundreds digit. What to do? If the tens digit is, we have to observe the tens digit. Tens digit is 5, either 5 or more than 5, we have to add 1 to the 100 place. That means 3 will become 4. So, and what is the next condition? Tens and unit place will be 0. We have to write tens place and unit place as 0. Okay, understand? Okay, one more question we will see. Let's see. 7, 5, 8, 9. Okay, we have to round up. Round it to the nearest tens. What is round it off to the nearest hundreds. Okay, let us take the same question. Round it off to the nearest hundreds. Let us discuss the same pattern. Nearest 100 means what we have to do? We have to observe the tens place. Okay, I observe the 10 place. What is the tens place? 8 is in the tens place. So we have to go to this rule. If the tens place is greater than 5, what should do? Add 1 to the hundreds digit. So what is in the 100 digits? 5 is there. Add 5 plus 1 means successor. 7, 6. And the last rule. Tens and the unit place will be 0. Okay, got it all of you. We will do more examples. Okay, let me explain the concept by using same numbers. Okay, round off to nearest tens round off to nearest hundreds and round off to nearest thousands. Okay, here we have taken for all the 3456 is the number I have taken. Okay, so first let us go through nearest tens. So nearest tens, which digit we have to observe? Observe unit digit. Nearest tens, observe unit digit. Okay, so unit digit is unit digit 6 is greater than 5. Okay, we have observed unit digit, we have observed unit digit is greater than 5. Okay, what is the condition when it is equal to 5 or greater than 5? Add 1 to the next digit. Okay, so add 1 to tens digit. Add 1 to tens digit. So tens digit, what is in the tens digit? 5 is in the tens digit. So 5 will become 6. Add 1 means success. This one no change. Okay, so 3, 4, 5 will become 6. And what is the last rule? Unit place is 0. Unit place, when we are rounding off to nearest tens, the unit place is 0. So what is the answer? 3460. Okay, let us go to this one. Nearest hundreds. So nearest hundreds means 100 before digit what? Tens place. Okay, we have to observe the tens place. So what is in the tens place? 5. So tens place. Tens digit or tens place digit is equal to 5. Tens digit is tens place digit is equal to 5. So when it is the tens place digit is equal to 5 or greater than 5, what we will do? We will add 1 to the hundreds place. We are observing the tens place. We are adding 1 to the hundreds place. Okay, here observing the unit place, adding 1 to the tens place. Okay, here we have observed the tens place and we are adding to the hundreds place. If rounding off to 100 means 100th place, we have to add, the change will come from the hundreds place. So we are adding now 1 to 4. So add 1 to hundreds place. Okay, hundreds digit. So hundreds place digit number, that will it mean. So it will become 3, 5. Okay, now last condition. When we are rounding up to the nearest hundred, tens place and ones place will be 0. Okay, got it? Now nearest thousands. Nearest thousands. So thousands means we have to observe 1000 before hundreds. So hundreds place. Hundreds place. What is hundreds place? Hundreds digit is 4. Equal to 4 means is less than 5. Hundreds place is less than 5. Here unit digit 6 greater than 5. So we added 1 to the tens place. Here tens digit equal to 5. Then also we added 1 to the hundreds place. Then here hundreds digit is less than 5. So whether thousands place will change? No change. So no change for thousands place. Okay, no change for thousands place. So what it will be? 3 only. Then when we are rounding off to the thousands, we have to introduce 0 in hundreds place, tens place and ones place or unit place. So what is the answer? 300. This is very easy for rounding off the number to any number. Maybe any places, maybe to tens, hundred thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and anything. But only one thing you should remember, if the question is round off to lakhs, round off to nearest to lakhs, we have to observe lakh before digit. What is that at 10,000s place? So observe that 10,000s place. So 10,000s place is more than 5 or equal to 5. Add 1 to the lakhs place. Okay, if it is less than 1, less than 5, no change for lakhs place. Okay, so next thing, nearest to 1000 means 100 tens, unit will be 0. Nearest to 100 means tens, unit will be 0. 2 digits will be 0. Tens means only unit place will be 0. This you have to observe. For tens, unit digit will be 0. For hundreds, tens and unit digits will be 0. For thousands, 100, tens and unit place will be 0.